Balinese villas often feature natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo. The combination of traditional thatched roofs and sleek glass walls gives the homes a timeless appeal. Large wooden beams and natural stone elements reflect the local heritage while adding a contemporary touch, making each villa feel both grounded and stylish. A hallmark of Balinese villa design is the open concept layout, where large sliding doors merge indoor spaces with outdoor areas. This seamless transition creates a feeling of freedom, letting natural light and airflow enhance the ambiance. The spaces are designed to invite relaxation, with easy access to shaded patios and serene pool areas. These villas are known for their lavish amenities. Infinity pools, lush tropical gardens, and private spa zones add a sense of indulgence. The interiors are carefully decorated with high-quality, locally sourced materials, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Soft lighting and neutral tones help set a calming mood, making the space perfect for unwinding. Water elements play an important role in the design of Balinese villas. Koi ponds, fountains, and private pools bring a soothing presence, while native plants and trees enhance the natural setting. Stone and wooden pathways guide you through beautifully landscaped gardens, offering moments of quiet reflection and a deeper connection to nature. Privacy is key in the design of these villas. High walls, dense greenery, and separate pavilions create a sense of seclusion. The layout often features individual spaces for dining, relaxation, and rest, connected by outdoor walkways. This approach allows each area to serve its purpose without compromising the overall sense of calm and openness. Modern Balinese architecture embraces sustainability. Many villas are built using recycled or locally sourced materials, with features like solar panels and rainwater collection systems. This not only reduces the environmental impact, but also complements the natural surroundings, blending luxury with responsibility. Modern Balinese villas offer a perfect mix of elegance, tradition, and comfort. They serve as peaceful retreats that celebrate the beauty of the environment while providing every modern luxury. Whether for inspiration or as a dream getaway, these villas capture the essence of relaxed, upscale living.